Okay, this is a Waste King 3200 and I'm going to hardwire it. So the instructions say pull this cord out. Okay, it's not that easy. I snipped out the connectors, that was easy. To get this out of there took me like 10 minutes. I used a knife to cut some of the rubber, used my pliers, multiple screwdrivers, and finally, after cutting a lot of the rubber from the inside, I was able to push it through the hole. Not easy at all. Okay. Wow. Look what I did. I had to cut it all up, but I eventually got it out. So, this is a quick video. How to get the cord off. It's not simple. It took me a good 10 minutes of cussing and wrestling with it. Both with the help of a blade, screwdrivers, and pliers. I got it done. Good luck. Whew.